In this video, we learn glossary, comprehension, vocabulary, and grammar activities of Chapter 4, Kalam with Children, Blossoms 5, 5th class English reader. Glossary. Fortune, luck. Calipers, a metal support for weak and injured legs. Bliss, happiness. Age, fixed something permanently in. Spirituality, appreciation for religious values. Give way, to present something. Bravery, fearlessness in dangerous situations. Disaster, an unexpected natural or man-made event causing great damage. Activity 2. Comprehension. Answer the following questions. Who was the best friend of Abdul Kalam in his school days? Pakshi Ramanatha Shastri was the best friend of Abdul Kalam in his school days. How can we remember the formula of mathematics and science? By constant application, one can remember various formulae of science and mathematics. How did Abdul Kalam explain courage? Saving others from disaster without minding about your own safety is courage. How did Subramanya Iyer inspire Kalam? He showed Kalam real-life examples at the seashore of Rameshwaram. What would be your question if you were there with Abdul? What was your favorite subject in your school days? Activity 2. Comprehension. Fill in the blanks with appropriate words. According to Kalam, dash comes first. Hard work. Child is the first. Dash. Scientist. Sri Shivasubramanya Iyer taught us how dash fly. Birds. One can remember various formulae of science and mathematics by dash. Constant application. Kalam advised children to see dash in others good things. Kalam advised children to see good things in others. Activity 3. Bird watching has been arranged at Nelapattu. 3-day Flamingo Festival kickstart at Pulicat Lake. The 3-day Flamingo Festival has kickstart at Sulurpeta Mandal in Nellore district. The Flamingo Festival is held annually at the Pulicat Lake, where the migratory birds stay for 2-3 months for breeding. The district administration has made celebrated arrangements for the bird festival at the government junior college premises in Sulurpeta, ensuring the safety of visitors interested in boating at BV Palem. The administration has developed ace swimmers and made it is mandatory for visitors to wear life jackets. Sanitation, drinking water, kiosks, food stalls and barricades to manage the crowd are in place at the venue. As for the itinerary, the fest would take off with the traditional Shobha Yatra, followed by a series of programs like the release of balloons, Go Puja and others on day 1. Cultural activities has been planned for all the 3 days for bird lovers who are attended the fest. Facility for bird watching has been arranged at Nelapattu, Atanitapa and BV Palem for 10 am to 5 pm. Now answer the following. What is this newspaper article about? This article is about a 3-day Flamingo Festival at Pulicat Lake. Who participated in the rally? Answer: administrators and visitors. Third one. Why did Siberian birds visit the region? Answer: for breeding. Where do we celebrate the Flamingo Festival? Answer: at Pulicat Lake. When do we celebrate the Flamingo Festival? Once in a year. Read the following sentences and observe the underlined words. Abdul Kalam is a dedicated scientist. Abdul Kalam is a committed scientist. You may observe that both sentences give the same message because of the underlined words. Such words are called synonyms. Synonyms are words which are nearly equal in meaning. Example: Kohli is a famous cricketer. Kohli is a popular cricketer. In these two sentences, the underlined words famous and popular are nearly equal in meaning. And here one more example. The show begins at 6 pm. The show starts at 6 pm. Here the underlined words begins and starts are nearly equal in meaning. Activity 4. Match the following words with their synonyms. Bliss, happiness, success, victory, fortune, luck, award, prize, famous, popular, temper, attitude, first, begin. The opposite of the given words using the words in the help box. Fortune, misfortune, success, failure, remember, forget, last, first, real, unreal, friend, enemy, the following grid using the above clues. Fortune, opposite word, misfortune. First one, misfortune. 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 Success, failure. Failure. Remember, forget. Forget. Last, first. First. Real, unreal. 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 Friend, enemy. Enemy. Fortune, misfortune. Success, failure. Remember, forget. Last, first. Real, unreal. Friend, enemy. Read the story and observe the underlined words. One day, an ant found a small block of jaggery. Immediately, it signaled his friends about the food. Within no time, cities of ants started rolling the block towards the ant hill. The ant hill was in between two coconut trees. On their way, they crawled across a well and over a small twiggy and crawled along some sapling in a garden. Finally, They broke the block of jaggery into pieces and carried them into the anthill. The underlined words are prepositions and they denote movements. Hence, they are called prepositions of movement. Here the underlined words towards, between, across, over, along, into. The underlined words are prepositions and they denote movements. Hence, they are called prepositions of movement. Grammar. The underlined words are prepositions and they denote movement. Hence, they are called prepositions of movement. Examples. An aeroplane is flying above the clouds. She is riding her bicycle along the road. A man is swimming across the river. Fill in the blanks with correct prepositions of movement, choosing the word given in the bracket. One has been done for you. Example. I like to walk dash the canal along river. Answer along. So first one. The cat jumped dash the stool in over. Answer over. The cat jumped over the stool. The earth is revolving dash the sun around over. Answer around. The train is passing dash the tunnel out through. Answer through. The train is passing through the tunnel. The girl is walking dash the road in across. The girl is walking across the road. They are going dash the building towards on. The right answer towards. They are going towards the building. There is a cat dash two tables along between. The right answer between. There is a cat between two tables. The following sentences. Kalam likes to spend time with children. Hard work comes first. The underlined words in the above sentences tell us about an action that is repeated or event that takes place regularly. These verbs are always in simple present tense. Tick the sentences that are written in the simple present tense and underline the words. One has been done for you. Fortune favors the hardworking. And first one. God helps those who help themselves. God helps those who help themselves. I think the child is the first scientist. I think the child is the first scientist. These two are correct. These two are in simple present tense. Third one. I once worked with doctors. They started running. He taught us in his lectures how birds fly. read other sentences that are not ticked. I once worked with doctors. They started running. He taught us in his lectures how birds fly. Let's see the comparison between simple present tense and simple past tense. Simple present tense, work. Simple past tense, worked. Favor, favored. Like, liked. Peel, peeled. Teach, taught. Start, started. Active. Grammar. Complete the sentences with the simple present as well as simple past forms of the verbs given in brackets. One has been done for you. Example: Kalam dash to spend time with children. Like, simple present. Kalam likes to spend time with children. Kalam dash to spend time with children. Like, simple past. Kalam liked to spend time with children. First one. The teacher dash real life examples. Show simple present tense. The answer is the teacher shows real life examples. Simple past. The teacher showed real life examples. Fortune, the dash the hardworking. Favor, simple present. Answer is Fortune favors the hardworking. And simple past. Fortune favored the hardworking. They dash running. Start, simple present. They start running. In simple past, they started running. He dashes us in his lectures how birds fly. Teach, simple present. He teaches us in lecture how birds fly. Simple past. He taught us in his lecture how birds fly. He taught us in his lecture how birds fly.